Hi children, from St. Paul's High School, your Farida teacher, standard first, came back again to teach you maths. Remember last class I have taught you children skip counting 2 and 5. Now today I will teach you skip counting 10 children. Before we start skip counting 2 and 5, we'll do some exercise children. Got it? Whatever I say now, you have to act like that way. Understood? Come on. All of you stand up. Sit. Stand. Sit. Look up. Look down. Look right. Look left. Nod your head. Sideways. Up and down, nod your head. Yes. Warm up. Come on now. Get ready. We'll start skip counting 10 children. Remember children, last lecture I explained you about skip counting 2 and 5. No? While using skip counting 2 children, we need 2 fingers. And skip counting 5, we need 5 fingers. No? And in skip counting 2, what we have to do children? We have to skip the next number of the given number. That is, if the given number is 1, we have to skip the next number, that is 2. And then which number we'll write as answer? That is 3. Got it? Every alternate number we have to skip and we have to write the alternate number, that is 1, 2 you have to skip, you will write 3, 4 you have to skip, 5 you will write as answer, 6 you have to skip, 7 you will write as answer. This will be your skip counting 2. And for skip counting 5 children, we have to skip the next 4 numbers of the given number, and then the 5th number we have to write as answer. And how we are going to count? On your fingers, from little fingers to thumb. And then if the given number is 0, after 0 you will start counting 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So 5 will be your answer. Why? Because 5 is the 5th number. It came on your thumb children. Now understood? Skip counting 2 and skip counting 5 now. Now we learn today skip counting 10. Now see children, for skip counting 10, we need 10 fingers, but we don't have to count on fingers children. Directly, quickly you will come to know the answer. Listen to me properly. When you are counting 10 children, skip counting 10, what you have to do, the number which is below the ones place, that number you don't have to change. But you have to go on changing the number which are below tens place children. Now see here, 0 is the given number. What you have to do, you have to write 1 in the ones place, 0 only. But in the tens place, what you will write? After 0, which number comes? 1. So you will write 1 children. Understood? Then the next number. After 10, again you have to write the next number. Now which will be the next number? Again you will write 0 as it is in the ones place, and you will change the tens place digit, that is after 1 which number will come? 2. So you will write 2 in the tens place and your answer will be 20. Same way, after 20 again in the ones place you will write 0 as it is, and you will change the tens place digit, that is after 2 which number will come? 3. So you will write 3 in below tens place. So your number will become 30. 30, 30. This is the way we write skip counting 10. Now see down children. Now which is the first number given? 50, 50. So again now you have to use skip counting 10 and write the answer. So in the ones place you have to write 0 as it is. You have to change the number below tens place. So which number will come now after 5? 6. So you will write 6 below tens children. Understood? Now after 60, Again the next number, how you will write, children? You will write 0 in the ones place as it is, and after 6 which number will come? 7. So you will write 7 below tens place. Then now your number will become 70. Got it? Then after 70 again you have to use skip counting 10. So which number you will write? Yes, 8080. Why? Because 0 you will write as it is in the ones place, and after 7 8 comes, so you will write 8 below tens place, and your number will become 8080. Come on, come down now. Now which number I have given first? 30. 30. So after 30 which number you will write as answer? Yes, you will write 40. Why 40? Because 0 you will write in the ones place as it is, and after 3 which number comes? 4. So your answer you will write 4040. Then after 40 50. Again 0 as it is in ones place you have to write, and after 4 which number comes? 5. So you will write 5 in the tens place. That is, and your number will become 50. You will write 50 as answer. Then after 50, which number will be your answer, children? Yes, 60. How? Because 0 you will write as it is in ones place, and after 5 which number will come? 6. So your answer will be 60. Now we'll see few more numbers, children. For which number is given now? 20. So after 20 which number you will write, children? In skip counting 10, 30, 30. How? Because 0 you will write in the ones place as it is, and after 2 3 comes, so you wrote 3 in the tens place, and your answer became 30, 30, children. Then after 30 again you will write 0 as it is in ones place, and after 3 which number will come? 4. So you will write 4 in the tens place, and your number will become 40. 40 you will write as answer. Then after 40 again in skip counting 10 which number will come as your answer? 50. Why 50? Because after 4 5 comes, and 5 you are going to write in tens place, and 0 you will write in ones place as it is. So your number will become 50. Then after 50 which number will come? Yes, 60. 60, 60. Same way, children, 0 in ones place as it is you have to write, and after 5 6 comes, so 6 you will write below tens place, and your number will become 60. Come down now. Now I have changed the units place number, but as I said you, in 0 how you used to write as it is ones place digit, same way whichever digit is there, whichever number is there, you don't have to change the ones place number, children. Understood? Now see here, 5 I have written in the ones place, 2 in the tens place, so your number is 25. So in skip counting 10 now, which will be the next number, children? Again 5 you will write as it is in ones place, and after 2 which number comes? 3. So you will write 3 in tens place, and your number will become 35. Understood? Now next, after 35 in skip counting 10 which number will be your answer? Yes, 45. Why? 5 you will write as it is in ones place, and after 3 which number comes? 4. So 4 you will write below tens place. Understood? Then after 45 which number will come as your answer in skip counting 10, children? 55. Now here 5 as it is ones place you will write, and after 4 which number will come? 5. So again you have to write 5 below tens, so your number will become 55. Then after 55 in skip counting 10 which number will be your answer? 65. How? 5 you will write as it is in ones place, and after 5 which number will come? 6. So 6 you will write below tens place. Understood now? Come on. Now again I have changed the ones place number, children. That is, now I have written 4 in the ones place. So again same way, you don't have to change the ones place digit. Only tens place digit you have to change in skip counting 10. So now, which is the first number, children? 44. So 4 you will write as it is in the ones place, and after 4 which number will come? 5. So 5 you will write below tens place, and your number will become 54. You will write 54 as answer. Then after 54 which number will come as answer in skip counting 10, children? Again 4 you will write in ones place as it is, and after 5 which number will come? 6. So you will write 6 below tens, and your number will become 64. Then after 64 in skip counting which number will come as your answer? Yes, 74. How? 4 you will write below ones as it is, and after 6 which number comes? 7. So you will write 7 below tens place. Your number will become 74. Then after 74 which number you will write as answer, children? Yes, 84. 4 you will write as it is in the ones place, and after 7 which number comes? 8. So 8 you will write below tens place. Understood, children? Skip counting 10 is easy na to count and write the answer. Yes. Now come down, children. Again I have changed the ones place digits. Now I have given you 2. So what you have to do, children? Again ones place digit you are not going to change. You will write as it is. And tens place digit you are going to change. You will write the next number of the given number. Now here 22 is the first number. So in skip counting 10, children, which number will be your answer? 22. So 2 you will write in ones place as it is, and after 2 which number will come? 3. So your 32 will be the answer in skip counting 10. Then again after 32 which number you will write as answer? Yes, very good, 42. How? 2 in the ones place you will write as it is, and after 3 which number will come? 4. So you will write 4 below tens place, and your number will become 42. Then after 42 in skip counting which number will come as your answer? 52, children. 2 you will write as it is in ones place, and after 4 which number comes? 5. So 5 you will write below tens, and your number will become 52, which you will write as answer, children. Understood how to write the answer in skip counting 10? Now I hope you all know how to write answer in skip counting 2 while counting on 2 fingers. Then skip counting 5, counting on your 5 fingers from your little finger to thumb. And in skip counting 10, no need to count on your fingers. Directly you will write the answer. You don't have to change the ones place number. Only you have to change the tens place digit. You will write the next number of the given number after number of the given number. Understood? Now children, practice at home the activity which I am giving. Take pencil and book and get ready, children. It's time for activity. Ready? Okay. First is skip counting 2. Now you don't write the spelling of skip counting. You only write 2 in the first line, big 2. And then now write the numbers. 1, 1, 11, dash, 1, 5, 15, dash, 1, 9, 19. Then take a new line, children. 2, 4, 24, then dash, then again dash, then again dash, and then last number you will write 3, 2, 32. Then take a new line again, children. Write the number 4040, dash, dash, 4646, dash, dash. Now take a new page. Here again skip counting 5. You don't have to write the spelling of skip counting, children. You just write 5. Take a new line now. 1 0 10 dash 2 0 20 dash 3 0 30. Now take a new line, children. 4 5 45 dash 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 6 5 65. Now again take a new line, children. 7 0 70 dash dash 8 5 85 dash dash. Now take a new page, children. Skip counting 10. Again you don't have to write the spelling of skip counting. Only write 1 0 10. And now take a new line. Here I am not giving you dash, children. Only I am giving you the beginning, first number and the last number. What you have to do, you have to skip counting 10. You have to use skip counting 10 and you have to write all the numbers whichever comes as answer. Come on, write 1 0 10 put small dash in between, and then 9 0 90. So you have to write using skip counting 10, children. You have to write all the numbers coming between 10 to 90. Then come down, children. 2 3 23 small dash 9 3 93. Again here you have to write all the numbers using skip counting 10 coming between 23 to 93. How you will write, children? 23 is the first number, 33 43 53 63, like this way. Now come down, next slide. 58 58 58 put small dash 98 98. Here in this, what you have to do, children, you have to use skip counting 10 and you have to write all the numbers between 58 to 98. For example, 58 is the first number. The next number will be, using skip counting 10, 68, then 78. Like this way you have to write. Understood, children, how to write skip counting 2 answers, skip counting 5 answers and skip counting 10 answers. So do this by yourself, children, and enjoy your skip counting. Okay, children, now it's time to say bye. Hope you all understood this skip counting 2, 5 and 10. This will help you when you will learn multiplication table, children. Understood? Come on. God bless you all. Stay home and stay safe, children.